Good day children, Sai Ram and welcome back to our next lecture of this lesson, International Dateline. In our previous lecture, we had come across some questions. In that questions, we had a confusion whether it was the next day or whether it was the previous day. That is, whether it was Wednesday or whether it was Friday after passing 180-degree meridian. The answer to all these questions we'll have in this lecture. So let's have a geographical explanation for the confusion which had been risen in the previous lecture. Now, the Earth's rotation, revolution, sunrise, sunset, all these are the natural phenomena. And man has studied all this. That is the rotation speed of the Earth, the direction and the shape of the Earth. And according to that only, he has prepared his chronometric system. And that also for his own purpose. So according to the speed of the earth, according to the direction and shape of the earth, man has adjusted himself with it. Now, man is coordinating well with the time of the earth's rotation. And as you all know, the earth takes 24 hours to make one rotation. Then we also know that the earth rotates from west to east. As we know that on the earth, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, but earth is, and why it is rising in the east and setting in the west? Because the earth is rotating from the west to the east. So because the earth is rotating from west to east, the eastern part of the earth is ahead of the western part. So the eastern part of the earth is always ahead of the western part. Keeping all this into consideration, keeping all this into our minds, we are going to discuss about the journey of Sunil. Here you can see the picture of the prime meridian. Okay, the red color line over here is your prime meridian, and just opposite to that, you can see over here, above that, this part is your 180-degree meridian. Okay, now this part is your east and this part is your west. Now let's see about Sunil's journey. As we have learned in our diagram, let's see what is this explanation about. As Sunil is moving towards the east, his time is moving ahead at different meridian. As we have learned, according to table and diagram, we have learned that Sunil is going ahead. For example, at 90-degree east, it is Thursday 6 p.m. Accordingly, as Sunil is moving east, it will be Thursday midnight 12 at 180-degree meridian. Okay, when he is reaching to 180-degree meridian, what is the time he had got over there? It is 12 p.m. Thursday. That means 12 a.m. Thursday. That means Thursday is over. According to him, as he continues, it will be Friday for him. If at all he is crossing the 180-degree meridian and moving towards the west side, he will have Friday over there. At 90-degree west, it will be Friday 6 a.m. when he is reaching at 90-degree west. That is just opposite of 90-degree east. 90-degree east, it was Thursday 6 p.m. for him, correct? But when he is reaching 90-degree west, it will be Friday 6 a.m. for him. And therefore, after the full round of the earth, when Sunil is coming back, okay, when Sunil meets Meenal again at 0-degree meridian, what day it will be for him? It will be Friday, that is afternoon 12 p.m. So this is about the journey of Sunil. Okay, because he is moving towards the east, and east is always ahead of the west. Okay, so he is going ahead, so he will reach out to Friday. It will be Friday for him when he is passing the 180-degree meridian. Okay children, I hope you all have understood till here. Here is a chart showing about Sunil's observation. Previously also we had seen this chart. Up till 180-degree meridian we have seen that Sunil is having 12 a.m. Thursday. Okay, that means Thursday is over for him. And when he is passing that 180-degree meridian and reaching out to 150-degree west, that time he is having Friday over there. What is the timing over there? 2 a.m. Then 120-degree west, what is the timing for him? 4 a.m. Then 90-degree west, what is the timing for him? 6 a.m. Then 60-degree west, he is having the timing as 8 a.m. And 30-degree west, he is having the timing as 10 a.m. And when he is returning back to 0-degree Greenwich, that time he is having the timing again at 12 noon Friday. That is, he has reached out to the next day. Now let's see the journey of Meenal. Now, as you all know, Meenal was moving towards the west. As she is moving towards the west, she is going behind. She is going backward. She is not going ahead like Sunil. She is going backward in the timing. For example, when she is reaching out to 30-degree west, what was the timing for him? What was the timing for her? It was 10 hours in the morning. That is 10 a.m. That is on Thursday. While it will be 8 a.m. Thursday at 60-degree west. These are the timings of Meenal. And it will be 12 midnight when she is reaching out the 180-degree meridian. But when she is crossing this 180-degree meridian and she is going towards the east, she is getting the previous day, that is Wednesday. If Meenal continues ahead, then it will be Wednesday 6 p.m. at 90-degree east. Okay, she is going to get Wednesday, okay, on the east side. And when she is returning back to 0-degree meridian, what will be the timing for her? It will be Wednesday afternoon, 12 p.m. So this is how Meenal's journey is ending up when she is going around the earth. Okay, from 0-degree to 180 and from 180 to 0 back again. Okay, so this is about the Meenal's journey. Here you can see in her table, that is table A. We had already learnt about 30-degree west, she is getting 10 hours. Then 60-degree west, she is getting 8 hours. Okay, and when she is passing 180-degree west and going to 150-degree east, she is getting Wednesday over there. And what is the timing for her? 10 a.m. 10 p.m. not a.m. p.m. Then 120-degree east she is getting Wednesday 8 p.m. 90-degree east she is getting 6 p.m. 60-degree east she is getting 4 p.m. 30-degree east she is getting 2 p.m. And at 0-degree Greenwich again she is returning back and she is getting the time as 12 p.m. Wednesday. This is about the journey of Meenal. Okay children. Now let's have a solution to the confusion of these days. Meridian of 180-degree is reached after 12 hours from the prime meridian. Okay, when she is going from the prime meridian towards the 180-degree meridian, it is taking 12 hours. From 0-degree meridian to 180-degree meridian, this full timing is 12 hours. If you go from the east or west, it is going to remain the same, that is 12 hours. Accordingly, an adjustment of change in day and time is made. Here from the east also if you go, it is going to remain 12 hours. From the west also if you are going to go, it is going to remain 12 hours. So depending upon this, a change is made in day and time. According to the convention, the start of a date is considered to be at 180-degree meridian. So 180-degree meridian is kept as the start of a date. Any date is going to change at 180-degree meridian only. The following points were taken into consideration while drawing the international date line. Now this 180-degree meridian, which was fixed to be change of date and day, that is day and time was going to be changed at 180-degree meridian. There were certain conditions for it when this international date line was drawn. That is the direction of the travel, whether you all are going to go towards the east or whether you all are going to go towards the west. That is the direction of travel. Then on which day you are starting from there. The current day and date also has to be considered. Okay, when you are drawing the international date line, these are the two conditions which you have to satisfy. That is the direction of travel and the current day and date. Okay children, I hope you all have understood till here. So children, that's all for today. The remaining part of the lesson we'll do in the next lecture. Till then, thank you children.